Right guys, hello, welcome again today to this video. I've just changed the connecting hose to the heater and the engine because it was failing, it was splitting up, so I have to change it. Let me show you. So this was the hose that is cracked, so I have to change this hose out. Right, sorry about the noise because this was kind of like an emergency repair. So look at my full of stuff. Anyways, so I have already changed it out and I have topped up the coolant, and you can see the part is right there. Right, I shall zoom in a little bit. This is the one, so that connects to the engine and it connects to the heater, which goes into the heating compartment inside the car. So I had to change this as an emergency, because if it bursts, then I will have a big problem on the road. Right, so this is a minor repair. I've topped it up with water, as you can see, and this antifreeze, which I always use. Right, so right, thank you for watching. This is a short video, so I shall not bore you much about this, because basically I just changed out the pipe that was going to burst, and then replaced it with old one. I cut it off from the old hose, and you can see it in the beginning of the video. I shall show you again. So now I'm waiting for the engine to heat up, so that the coolant will drop, because I have topped it up, because I think it leaks almost more than a liter if I'm not wrong. So alright, I shall wait for this thing to warm up, then I shall see how much the water level will go down. Okay, I shall see you guys. Thank you for watching. Right, catch you guys later again. See you, bye.